Ahead of the Tamil Nadu Assembly elections, the Election Commission of India has allotted election symbols to newly formed and existing political parties led by actor Vijay and Kamal Haasan. Actor Vijay's Tamiliga Vetri Khazagam or the TVK has been allotted the whistle symbol marking the party's electoral debut. Meanwhile, Kamal Haasan's MNM or Makkal Nidhi Mayam has received the torch battery symbol. The symbols will be used in constituencies where the parties have fielded candidates. The EC clarified that symbols are allotted as per eligibility norms and may be withdrawn if party fails to meet the minimum requirement. Political parties across Tamil Nadu have begun preparations as the state heads towards polls scheduled in the first half of the year.